Hello dear, I hope you people are fit and fine. In furtherance of previous lectures, today I am going to discuss another offense relating to property, that is mischief, and section 425 to 440 are devoted to offense of mischief under the Indian Penal Code 1860. Let us see an overview about the mischief. Section 425 to 440 of the Indian Penal Code lay down the law relating to mischief. Section 425 defines the offence of mischief, while 426 provides punishment thereof. The succeeding 14 sections cover the aggravated form of mischief, differing in terms of punishment depending on the value of the wrongful loss or damage of the property. Based on this criteria of value of damage, the IPC prescribes punishment of greater severity. It may be noted that the varying degrees of punishment has reference to the amount of loss sustained, an aspect not admitted in determining the degree of criminality in other offences. However, it is not the only circumstances of aggravation, for the code recognizes the following as equally aggravating. First, value of the property destroyed from section 427 to 429. Second, mode of mischief by killing, poisoning or by fire or explosives or after preparation to cause hurt. It is given under section 428 to 440. Section 428 and 440. Third, utility of the subjects of mischief, for example, public roads, bridges, rivers, channels, or works of irrigation. Section 430 and 431. Houses, 436, and ships, 437. Fourth, probable consequences of mischief by the destruction of landmarks, lighthouses, etc. It is given under section 432 and 433. These four aggravated offences of mischief can be seen to be comprised of the following 7 types of offence. Point number 1, ये जो 4 तरीके के हमने ऊपर बाइफरकेट किया एग्रावेटेड फॉर्म के रूप में, इसको हम 7 तरीके में फर्दर डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, चारों को साथ में. First, causing damage of property values at ₹50 and upwards, section 427. Second, mischief with regard to animals, 428 and 429. Mischief with regard to supply and public works, it is given under section 430 to 434. Then mischief by fire, 435 and 436. Next is mischief with regard of docked vessels, 437, 438. Sixth is mischief with regard to any vessel with intent to steal, section 439. And seventh and the last is mischief with preparation for causing death, hurt or wrongful restraint or fear of such death, hurt or wrongful restraint. With this overview, the specific provisions on the law relating to mischief can be examined in detail.